Hi guys, it's Weedit, and I wanted to say thank you. Thank you very much. I do run ads on the channel, and I use the money that I get to buy supplies to make more stuff and make more videos. This time around, the response was so overwhelming that in addition to buying more supplies for more videos, including particularly acrylic pours, I also had enough money that I turned around and I put it right back in the channel by buying some much better studio lighting and a microphone and a few other technical gadgets that are going to help me produce the videos a whole lot more nicely. More nicely? Yes, because I don't think nicely would be a word. So thank you so much. I appreciate it, and please know that I just am overwhelmed by your support. It's done so much for me, and that whatever money I do get off of the ads, I do turn around and pour right back into the studio. So thank you so much. Bye guys.